Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, this video, I made this video driving around Maitama in the Federal Capital Territory. Yes, Abuja. And I'm not just going to be driving around Maitama, I'm still going to drive towards Maitama extension and its environs. So guys, stay tuned and watch this video. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Now, Maitama is one of the highbrow areas. I'm gonna go bite my tongue, Charlie. It's one of the nice places in Abuja where you see rich people live. You know, go be small boy, then you can't get house for Maitama. You understand? So, guys, if this is the first time you are tuning into my channel, you are highly welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate you all for always making a chance to watch my videos. So, guys, this video was made on a sunny day, as you can see. Yes, everywhere day sunny. Abuja day very, very hot. Yes, this type of sun with the Abuja will be small thing. So as you can see, well paved roads. Those are those are very sweet. You understand? So guys, watch the video down to the end. Help me click the share button as you are watching this video. Yes, like I said, once again, this is Maitama in Abuja, and I'm heading to Maitama extension. From there, I'll be taking you to some other places around. So guys, watch the video down to the end. So one thing you can notice about Maitama is how trees are scattered all over the place. Trees and the flowers in between the road. You can see. So yes, when they breathe fresh air, people they live for Maitama, they breathe fresh air. You understand? So you don't plant tree, my brother. Try maybe plant trees. So trees now then be life. You understand? So guys, please I have more videos about Abuja here on my channel, so you can just check down and watch other interesting videos here on my channel.